In this particular video, we are going to solve this very interesting question which says if 1 to the power 0 is 1, all right, 1 to the power 0 is 1 and 1 to the power 1 is equal to 1, then since bases are same, so can we equate the powers? Yes. So 0 equal to 1. Is this true? Okay. So I'm going to elaborate on this. Why is this result is not true? Okay. So where is the fault? We have to check where is the fault over here. So the fault over here lies in the base. Okay. So this result is not true when the base is equal to 1. Are you getting it? So the catch in this very illustration is that this is not true for when base is equal to 1. So let's understand what exactly it is. So let me assume some number, let's say some base b to the power x1 is equal to b to the power x2. Okay, so now we can say since b is same on both the side and the powers are x1 and x2. Are you getting it? So here what are the powers? X1 and x2 and the base is b. I've taken this thing. Now as you know, if I divide this bx2, if I move it to the left hand side, I'll get 1 over here. And then using laws of indices, I can simply say when the bases are same, power gets subtracted. So we get x1 minus x2 equal to 1. Are you getting this? Now, if I take log both sides, right? If I take log both sides, what do I get? I'll get x1 minus x2 using power law, the power will come outside and I can simply write log b equal to log 1, isn't it? Now, what we get over here is log 1, which is, 0. Log 1, 20 base is 0. So what we get over here is x1 minus x2 multiplied by log of b. So this means either x1 is equal to x2, right? If this guy is equal to 0 or log b is equal to 0. Now, if log b is equal to 0, that means b is equal to 1, isn't it? So what we learn from here is if b is equal to 1, that means when the base is equal to 1, right? So this result is equal to 0, isn't it? So it is not necessary that this should be true. Are you getting it? So when b is equal to 1, what I'm trying to say here is if b is equal to 1, then this is sufficient condition to show that this product is equal to 0. Are you getting it? Right. So when base is equal to 1, then it is not necessary that x1 should be equal to x2. Right. So if x1, in other words, I can say if x1 is equal to x2, then, right, log b is also not necessary should be equal to 0. Then the base could be different. So for this reason, we say when base is equal to 1, right, 0 is not equal to 1 because this is not the necessary condition. Because when b is equal to 1, log 1 is equal to 0. So this x1 equal to x2 is no more required. It could be different also. Are you getting it?